Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I got a quick video for you today where we're going to be installing some carbon fiber door handle covers to my Model Y. It's genuine carbon fiber. I've been digging the carbon fiber accessories all over my Model Y. I can't wait to install these as well. Let's get into it. So as we jump right into the unboxing, I want to give a big shout out to EV-Base. They sent me over these covers for a review. I've worked with them tons in the past. They're a great company to get Tesla accessories, so make sure you check them out. This is what the carbon fiber door handles look like. They're very nicely packaged in this kind of nice cellular foam. Let's pull one out here and see what it looks like. I went with the matte finish, but this is a genuine dry carbon fiber. I really love the matte look. I've been doing a lot of matte accessories. I have the matte mirror covers, the spoiler on my car, and the carbon fiber, and I think they look great. So looking it over on the back, you'll see they include some genuine 3M adhesive, some really high quality adhesive to make sure these don't go anywhere and will stay with you. These covers look great. They feel awesome, very, very smooth, no ridges. They're extremely lightweight. I think they're going to look great on the car. Let's head over to the car and go get them installed. So over at the car, I want to do a dry fit and see how these line up with the actual door handles and just kind of get an overall sense before I actually peel off the sticky and get one shot. So what I understand is these covers aren't meant to actually cover all the different areas around the top and the bottom. They're really just supposed to stick on the surface of these actual door handles. So as I line it up here, I just kind of want to take a look and really kind of just spend some time lining it up. So I know it's a good fit and it's really just going to be on the surface and not kind of cover or wrap around any of those other extensions. I kind of like that because it will feel better in my hand if it doesn't have like a lip on it. And so that's kind of what I'm looking for here. So let's go ahead and take that off. And before we do any kind of adhesion of sticky parts to our car, when I'm applying any kind of accessories or anything like that, I like to wipe them off with an alcohol wipe and just kind of take it and get that extra oils and waxes and solvents and anything like that that's on my door handles, go ahead and take it off. So especially your door handle areas where a lot of people touch and they're always kind of grimy and stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off real good with some alcohol and let that dry for a little bit before I come back and peel off the stickies. Now it's time to install our first door handle cover. Peeling off these stickies is sometimes a pain in the butt. Sometimes I need an X-Acto knife to actually peel off the backing from the sticky, but it's not so bad on these. I went ahead and started this one just so I could do it on camera nice and easy. I really want to take my time as I line these up. So I'm going to come down here so I'm eye level with it and really just make sure that it's in the exact spot that I want before I start pressing it all down. So I'm really happy with how the first one turned out on my passenger side door up in the front. I'm going to do a little bit of a sped up shot of me installing the one on the rear passenger side so you can see the whole thing from start to finish. And just like that, you have a super sleek, really nice upgrade to your Model Y or Model 3. I love how these carbon fiber door handle covers look. They don't offer any uncomfortable lip or anything like that when you're snagging their hand. They're very easy. Still open your door just fine and close it. It just adds a teeny bit of depth to your actual door handle, but that's okay. That's kind of what I'm looking for. It just really sticks on the outside of the door handle cover and doesn't wrap around so much. And I kind of like that feature about these. I love the carbon fiber accents. I've really been digging it on my car. I have the carbon fiber mirror caps, the front camera covers up there on my side cameras, and the carbon fiber spoiler. I think they look great. I'm digging this carbon fiber stuff. So if that's a vibe you're looking for, consider picking up a set of these. I'll have a link to them down in the description, available from EV-Base. Whenever you shop at EV-Base, use my discount code right here on the screen, Gamble1080. It'll save you about 20% right now on anything on their website, and it really helps out the channel. So I appreciate you guys using that code. If you're interested in anything else that I've done to my Tesla, all my videos are on my channel, but I have an Amazon storefront that has tons of accessories that I've included in that storefront that I've included on my Model Y, including ways how I detail my Tesla, how I go camping, things like that. So check out my Amazon storefront as well. I appreciate you guys coming back and checking out this super quick video. Have an awesome day. Feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. I got lots of more awesome content coming up. Catch you in the next one.